Okay, so he's gonna do straight line backing. He's gonna learn how to go back. He's being taught right now how to do that. It's the first thing. And then we're gonna go park like that. And then there's another park right here where you just enter right there. Like an alley dock. Okay. So my brother right now is learning how to do this. We're trying to get our CDL, you know. All right, this is his first try backing the truck. Now this is a box truck. It's not obviously those semis. I mean, so far he's staying in the line correctly, and he's gonna do this 3 times. So hope you guys watch us in this journey on YouTube. You know, this is our way right now. This is our time to get the CDL before it gets any harder. Trust me, guys, it's gonna get more harder to get CDL. So okay, he did it successfully because he's listening to the teacher here. So now he's gonna pull forward. That's equally as important, pulling forward, than backing backwards. So he's doing it correctly. I mean, for professionals out there, this might be like piece of cake. But you know, you start somewhere, right, guys? Okay. And successful. He already mastered this. I didn't record it, but he already mastered it. But other people are practicing as well. Building up the pressure. Yeah, we're trying to back up. I mean, backing is pretty easy, but still, guys, if you're new to this, it'll be hard. But what he's doing right now, since he's new, he already mastered it. So in a way, he's above the level of the norm. Look, he's backed up. And when you back up, you gotta adjust slowly back and forth the wheel just to get that perfect level. Look, he already mastered it. Oh, I didn't go.
You didn't go.
I didn't go yet.
3 times? How many times you go?
I did 3 times, right?
Oh, that's enough. Let's switch.